Hi, right, welcome back. Bit of a short video this one. I don't know if that's working or not, or it's blinding, looks really bright. Anyway, yeah, I'm Richard the Painter. So we've got a very quick video just to show the transport. We've had a few people asking certain questions and stuff like that, so I just thought we'd do a little walk around video. I have forgot about the blue MG. If anybody remembers the blue MG, I've only got a little short video when it was on the recovery truck, so my bad on that. So anyway, waffling, show you this one. We'll show you what we've done. So original window's gone back in, original trim and everything like that, so that one's fine. Original badge. So everything's colour coded. Hopefully you can hear me alright. This microphone's directional apparently. So everything's colour coded. Customer supplied new wheels when they dropped the van off. It used to have staggered banded steels on it apparently. No, it did. I did see them actually. Real wide on the back. So they've done away with these. Got some. I think he used more sensible terms. I can't remember what he said now anyway, but these look better anyway. So painted full sides and the roof actually, as you can see. I've painted it all. New window for here. We're all painted, door shuts and everything. Make sure it's all nice. And this is why I go around things 15 times afterwards, just to make sure we've got all the compound and everything like that. So for people that have watched everything, we've got new wings, they've gone on nicely. These are colour coded now. Front bumper's colour coded, grille and the surround. Get a good idea, looks nice now. New wing on that side again. Everything's colour coded, including the wing mirrors again, door handles, and we've got a new window here as well. So that's customer's choice, that one. They wanted an opener on that side. We've gone for a new windscreen. Basically the original one had lots of chips in it, and with it being original, trying to take something like that out without breaking it's practically impossible, so opted for a new one there anyway. Just to give you an idea, let's see, it's all painted inside. New rubber as well actually, just makes it all nice and tidy. That's one of the perks of a new rubber, you've got to shut the sliding door now. Yeah, spoiler and everything like that, so that's it. I'll walk you around it so you can have a nosy. Any questions, just give me the questions. If you don't mind, like, share and subscribe and all that beautiful stuff. I'll walk you around it and then let me know what you think. I think it's turned out really nice. It's a nice colour as well. Suits the van, suits the van. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.